Hi, you're watching Infraready. This is our improved temperature differentiator. This is a Pro model, so it's got an on and off switch. Previous device that we also offer on our website, infraready.co.uk, basically has the blue and the red LEDs. So we've put a frosted acrylic light tube on this one, on and off switch, and it's still got the pot adjuster. So as you'll see in a moment, to aid the setting, because it can be a little bit tricky on this one, between hot and cold, I've actually put a third light in, which is green. So I'll just turn the light off. So at the moment you've got a green light, which is now gone to red, because it's just sensed a bit of body heat. So you'll see there, don't have to touch the thermistor. You can actually trim that down, so if you was starting in a warmer position, then obviously you can just turn that down so the light sits green, and then when it senses an increase in temperature, it'll go up to red, and then it'll settle back down to ambient again. Obviously if I pull the device off, it'll then turn to blue, and then it'll go back to ambient. Again, if you do cool it off, if the temperature's dropping in your room, then you can adjust the pot so your ambient is green again, and then when it senses an increase, it'll be red, and then a decrease back to down to blue. So great hot and cold spot detector, real visual device. That's then it can be turned off, and then it is powered in the back. There is a 9-volt battery. You just need a bit of sponge in there to pack it out so it doesn't shake around. But this device will be available as of the 1st of June 2019. Just put the finishing touch on. So there's a little label, and as suggested, you'll be able to pick up these devices online at infraready.co.uk. In the meantime, if you can share this video and like and subscribe to our YouTube channel, it'd be greatly appreciated. Thanks.